Module 6, Tutorial, File Carving for Encrypted and Compressed Files. Welcome to this tutorial on file carving for encrypted and compressed files. This video will explore the challenges and considerations involved in recovering data from encrypted and compressed files using file carving techniques. These methods are crucial in digital forensics and data recovery when dealing with files that have undergone encryption or compression. Let's begin by discussing the unique challenges encountered when file carving encrypted and compressed files. Encrypted files are protected with encryption algorithms, making the data unreadable without the correct decryption key. Compressed files, on the other hand, undergo compression algorithms that alter the original file structure. Both scenarios pose challenges when attempting file carving. File carving encrypted files requires obtaining the encryption key or passphrase to decrypt the data before carving. Without the correct key, the recovered data remains encrypted and inaccessible. When carving compressed files, it is necessary to understand the compression algorithms used and their impact on the file structure. Compressed files often consist of multiple data streams, and identifying the boundaries and extracting the original file data can be complex. Now, let's explore some techniques used in file carving for encrypted and compressed files. When dealing with encrypted files, obtaining the encryption key or passphrase becomes paramount. Forensic experts may employ password recovery tools, brute force attacks, or seek assistance from cryptography experts to obtain the necessary decryption key. Once the encryption is removed, traditional file carving techniques can be applied to recover the decrypted files. Signature-based carving or heuristics-based approaches can be used to identify and extract the decrypted file data. Carving compressed files requires understanding the specific compression algorithms used, such as zip or gzip. Specialized carving tools that support these compression formats can help identify the compressed file boundaries, decompress the data, and extract the original files. File carving for encrypted and compressed files plays a crucial role in digital investigations, enabling access to otherwise inaccessible or hidden data. It can help recover encrypted files protected by passwords or retrieve compressed files that have undergone alteration due to compression algorithms. File carving techniques for encrypted and compressed files have been instrumental in our investigations. They have allowed us to recover valuable evidence from protected or altered files, providing critical insights into complex cases. File carving for encrypted and compressed files requires specialized knowledge and tools. This tutorial has provided an overview of the challenges involved and the techniques employed in these scenarios. In the next tutorial, we will explore the future trends and advancements in file carving techniques.